Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. If you are new to my channel, I open a ton of subscription boxes. I am kind of addicted to subscription boxes, I guess you could say. But today I'm kind of like on the end of a very large unboxing haul. If you are new here again, I have been out traveling, so I'm catching up. I'm catching up on my sleep, as you can see here, but also catching up on the boxes. And since I am an addicted person to subscription boxes, when I get these boxes, I've got to open them right away. It doesn't matter what I look like or what I'm doing. I got to get in these because I love them. So what I have for you today here is from Canyon Hollow Decor. I believe this is their quarterly box, home decor box. They have a monthly and a quarterly. The reason why I think this is their quarterly is because I did see another YouTuber out there unbox what I think is the monthly. I wouldn't watch because I didn't want to spoil it for me. But I think she unboxed the monthly, and that's why I'm thinking based on this size it's the quarterly, but we will know when we get into the box. So this is a quarterly box, and right here I am adding what the charge is. So let's just dive into the box, shall we? So up here she has written a message that says, Terry, wishing you smiles, joy, and magical moments that make this holiday season unforgettable with Canyon Hollow Decor. This is their first year as a subscription box, and they have completely knocked it out of the park in the items, the quality, the selection, everything. Now, the monthly box, she focuses on a particular area of your home. The quarterly box has been a seasonal box. So when you open it, here's the first thing you're seeing. You always get a wax seal stamp with their Lego established 2024. Okay, let's see. It's pretty. I love a good unboxing. The experience is part of this whole journey of unboxing these subscription boxes. So right here on the top is a card. I'm not going to read it right now. I'm going to read it at the end. I'm going to sit it right here. The reason I'm not going to read it yet, because it generally gives away some of the items in the box. I don't want to do that yet. So we're going to start with the first item that's right here at the very top. And it is an oven mitt by Rain and Humble. And the color is linen taupe. It's 100% cotton is the shell. And the wadding inside, like this wadding stuff, is 100% polyester. It is 18 by 32 centimeters. And it is huge. So here's my hand size. It's huge, you guys. Definitely gonna fit everybody's hand size. Might be a little big, but it's gonna fit. And I love that there's the hook here so that you can also hang it in your kitchen if you would like to. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's like I don't know which one to start with first. Let's just start with this one right here that is wrapped. All right, get all the crinklies in there. And I love the wrapping paper color choice here in the style. Okay, so let's see here. So today is my first day of being off for the Thanksgiving holiday here in the US. Although this year I'm not really off. I'm going to be checking in, making sure things are still moving along like they should. But today, besides unpacking this box, I've gotten a couple of appointments. One being my little Gracie girl. She's got to go back to the vet. She is a Persian, and she has reoccurring eye infections. And it's come the time that we actually have to do the testing to identify, is it a bacteria, A virus. Yeah, it's not going to be a good day for her nor I. But I'm in the box, so let's open it. And I feel something. I'm thinking cookware. Let me see here. Which makes sense if we've got an oven mitt. All right, so one more piece here to cut through. Oops, did you hear that? So it's a baking dish. Here. All right, so it is a baking dish. It is a very deep baking dish. So what I love here is, you know, when you first look at this size, you're thinking one that's not very deep, one for maybe brownies. Not that you can't put brownies in this, but I love, I mean, it's a casserole for me. And it's pretty. Look at the decorative handles. So I love this size. I think it's a perfect size to have like on a buffet in the holiday times, don't you guys think? So let's see here. It's past, meaning it's dishwasher and oven safe. Dishwasher is key, right? Especially during the holidays. All right, so that is our second item. We have got this item here. I'm going to put here. And there is this item as well. Let me check and make sure there's nothing else. Okay. First impressions. I'm wondering, is this the monthly? I can't tell yet. Okay, I'm going to push this down just a little bit so that you can see that first item. But yeah, I can't tell you if it's the monthly or quarterly. So let's just go ahead and get into this one. I love the red velvet ribbon, and I'm going to set it right up here because I'm going to reuse that for Christmas wrapping. I hear something jingling in here. I'm like, is it a bell? I don't think it would be a bell because it's looking like the theme here is baking. So I don't think it's going to be bells. All right, let's see. I think I've got enough paper off here. All right, what do we have here? Oh, so she has opened it. So she would have inspected it, and she has put some extra paper here. Oh, it's wrapped very well. Bubble. I think it is bells. Let me get through this bubble wrap here. Yeah, it is bells. Okay. Here we go. So it is ones that sound very nice. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see what we can read about these. Iron and jute gold bell garland. We don't have the length, but she could tell us that on the card here. I really like the sound. The chimes. All right, here we go. So we got the bells. Let me set it here. And now, what could this be? Let's see. Get my handy dandy cutter out of here again. Oh, what is this? This is what I'm seeing. All right, it says the original mantle clip. It is a stocking holder rod. It says finish shown is oil rubbed bronze, stockings not included. The rod extends up to 54 inches, loop stockings into rod, includes 3 mantle clip stocking holders, which hold rod securely. The mantle clip stocking holders adjust to fit most mantles. Grippers hold tight and protect the mantle surface. So there are different colors. We got the pewter. Excuse me. Let me show you the back here. So it says adjust to 3 inches, adjust to fit most mantles. So you can see that right there, how it clips. I must say I'm very surprised by this item. I don't, the box seems kind of hodgepodge, meaning it's got a holiday theme with the holder and the bells, but then this right here is baking. So this one seems kind of off to me in theme wise, but we'll read the card here in a second. Also, I don't have a mantle. And I'm trying to think right now, like, where could I even use this? Now, I do have a very large, there's the clips, here's the rods, a very large and long TV stand. So I'm thinking that is probably where I would use this. So we got the two rod pieces, and we have got the stocking holders and pewter. It says 3, so you can hang 3 stockings. No. Huh. No. We can, okay, I'm sorry. So the 3, it's the 3 clips that attach it to the mantle. And then we can fit on as many stockings as we can, because those would just slide onto the rod. And the instruction sheet is in here. So, you know, like I said, this just doesn't seem to fit. But here shows you how it attaches to the mantle, and then how you slide the stockings on. Now, do I like it? Oh, I like it. Don't get me wrong. But it doesn't seem to go together. But let's see what she says. And correct, this is not the quarterly, this is the mini. So this is the monthly. This makes total sense. For the price point, makes sense that this is the mini. So she says, when we think of December, we envision stockings hung by the fire and loved ones gathered around the table. These moments inspired us to focus on 2 cherished spaces for this mini box, the mantle and the kitchen. Each a true heart of the home. By enhancing these areas, we hope to bring warmth, beauty, quiet, elegance to your gatherings. Every item we've selected is designed to complement the spirit of the season, creating spaces that feel both festive and meaningful. So I'm glad it's the mini based on the price point. I'm not a fan that they focused on 2 areas. I wish they would have just focused on 1. So I wish they had went all in on the mantle, meaning we have got a nice decorated mantle. The bells can lay on the mantle and the stocking holder mantle, but I would have loved to have maybe also seen, gosh, maybe a small runner to lay the bells on, maybe some, I say ground covering, but something to sprinkle on that, or maybe some tall decoration. I don't know. I wish she would have went completely all out on the mantle and skipped the kitchen, just because I don't really need another baking dish. And if she was going to go all out on the kitchen, I wish she would have went all out on the kitchen. Like, don't come on. But let's talk about what's in the box. So it says, gather in the living room and around a heartwarming fire. So the first is we have the stocking holder rod in pewter. It says the rod fits most mantles up to 3 inches thick and features clear gripping pads to help protect the mantle and other surfaces from scratches. Huge bonus. The stocking rod can hold up to 10 pounds, which another bonus, when the weight is distributed evenly across the rod. Very important. And it extends 28 to 54 inches. Let's see here, bell garland. Add a touch of timeless charm to your fireplace mantle with this natural jute garland, accented by softly ringing bells. Its understated elegance brings warmth and festive spring spirit to your holiday decor. You know what I'm thinking? Could I wrap the bells around the rod and maybe have them hung at differing heights for a decor on the front? I think I'm going to try that. The next is gather in the kitchen or around the dining room table for a heartwarming meal. We've got the Heritage Square baking dish. Let me see if it tells us anything special about that. Made from durable stoneware. All right. And then we have the oven mitt. And nothing interesting about that. Now, one thing that I think would have been also nice, if we were going to have the baking dish and the baking rod, wouldn't it have been awesome if she had thrown in a printed recipe card? I think if she would have thrown in that and it had been a holiday recipe, that really would have tied it very well together. But besides that, we got great products that I'm going to use them all. What I need to start doing is, you know how I said I don't need any more baking dishes? Well, what I do need to do is I need to throw away some of my older, cheap baking dishes. So this is an opportunity that I can clean house with some of the older ones and replace them with nicer, better quality ones. So, all right. Well, thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I did get a confirmation email this morning that the other Canyon Hala Decor box has shipped. Actually, it might even have said might be getting delivered today now when I think about it. So we will be unboxing here the quarterly very soon. So hope all of you are having a wonderful time. And thanks again. Take care. Bye, everyone.